Assembly. Our lamps can be mounted internally and externally, what determines the choice among many different types of colors and types of mounting holders. Hard surfaces mounting holder for closed profile fixtures. Glass surface mounting holder. Hard surfaces mounting holder for closed and open profile fixtures. Rear access surfaces mounting holder. Hard material or ceiling panels mounting holder enabling steel string suspension. (3D) structures mounting. Transfer the mark indications of suspension points from the template onto the ceiling using the laser level tool. Drill the holes in the indicated points and insert expansion plugs inside. Screw on the top part of the suspension. Lead out the steel strings and place them in suspension's mounting element. Suspend the fixture using the measuring tape, marking out the string's length. Join all the elements of the light fixture using connection bars. Next, plug and power connectors. Join all of the segments of the light fixture in an analogous way. As the last step, connect the lamp to the electrical installation and test its functioning. Bear in mind that the light fixture's mounting can be adjusted to your project.